This biker was riding at a high speed when a car suddenly cut into his lane. The biker sustained a few injuries in the incident, but fortunately, none of them were serious. This biker expected a regular peaceful ride, but things quickly took an unexpected turn. When a biker filters through traffic and a driver fails to check their mirrors, it can quickly lead to dangerous situations like this one. This is what happens when drivers don't pay attention to their surroundings. Luckily, the biker wasn't seriously injured, thanks to the protective riding gear he was wearing. This is definitely one of those moments you'd never expect to see on the road. No bulls or bikers were harmed in this incident. The biker managed to jump off the bike just in time, escaping without injuries, but unfortunately, the bike is most likely a total loss.
Okay, we followed sat-nav, mate, followed diversion for Leak. We're trying to get back to Leak. We're going to reverse turn into there. Here's a lift up, wait, Lee.
This incident occurred when the BMW driver suddenly accelerated, causing the biker to get pinned under the heavy motorcycle, resulting in serious and permanent neck injuries. Despite losing his front wheel, this biker impressively managed to stay upright and keep riding. This has to be one of the most absurd and avoidable crashes you'll ever see. A biker attempted to swerve into a parking lot but misjudged the turn, resulting in a crash. Luckily, he walked away without any injuries.
Till the sunshine. Ah, fuck, man. Oh, this shit's gonna be heavy to lift up. Oh, damn, dude. Yeah. No. Yeah, I'm hoping it's not bad damage.
Much easier with two people.
Yeah.
Where's your stand? Put it down.
Luckily, no one was injured, but it's always important to stay alert and keep your eyes on the road. Both bikers crashed at the same time, but fortunately neither of them was injured. This serves as a reminder: never overtake on the right side. It can lead to dangerous situations. A biker was stopped at a red light when unexpectedly a car struck him, leaving everyone shocked and questioning how it even happened.
Yeah, man. What the f? Dude. That my foot. Yeah.
Sorry as hell. I was looking that way. The car was coming into the intersection.
Yeah. You have like your insurance and stuff? Fucking Christ. Ow, that hurt. Oh, dude, I'm glad I had my boots on. Holy shit. I feel it right here. Y'all. Ooh. Dude, like, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck are you looking at, man? You just cut off.
When riding on wet roads, even a brief lapse in focus can lead to an accident. This happens in about 90% of such situations. This is a reminder to always wear your protective gear. It can make all the difference in an accident. This biker was chasing the rider ahead and came in way too fast. He hit the brakes, but it was already too late.
No way, bro.
How you feeling?
I'm good. I'm good. I blacked out a little bit. I think I'm good. My brakes stopped working.
What started as a normal Chicago lot session quickly turned into an unexpected rescue mission on two wheels. Biker's friend crashed his bike in a way that seemed impossible. And of course, Biker had to step in to save the day.
All right, boys, and I'm gonna.
But in all honesty, if you can tell in the video, it looks like his belt is caught on his brake levers. I don't know. It just looked like it had so much tension around it. So my point wasn't to get his pants off. It was just to unbuckle the belt so I can pull him off. Everybody's like, well, the guy was already saying to pull him off. Yeah, I already knew that. But I wanted to take the belt off because the belt had tension on it and it was not easy to pull him off. But dude, after that all was said and done, I pulled him off. Adrenaline was a hell of a drug. As you can tell, I pulled a 200-pound guy with little to no effort, which was crazy. I thought someone actually helped me, but I looked back at the video and it was just me.
A group of bikers was out enjoying their ride when suddenly two of them crashed, turning a fun ride into a chaotic moment.
So kuha daw kami dito na shot na rampa. Putang inang
While riding on the ramp, this biker lost control and low-sided, sliding right into the middle of the highway. And just when you think the crash was the worst part, things got even more intense. Take another look.